Iran is poised to attack American drinking water supplies. The Washington has warned amid rising tensions in the Middle East. Jake Sullivan, National Security Advisor, sent a warning to state governors asking them to be on alert for potential cyber attacks on their critical infrastructure systems countrywide. The warning letter was co-authored by Michael Regan, the head of the United States Environmental Protection Agency, and was released to public for general awareness on Tuesday. In it, they cited ongoing threats from hackers linked to the governments of Iran and China and warned hackers associated with both countries have previously attacked drinking water systems in near past. Attractive target for hackers. Disabling cyber attacks are striking water and wastewater systems throughout the United States, the pair wrote. They warned that drinking water and waste water systems were an attractive target for hackers because while they are lifeline critical, they often lack the resources and technical capacity to protect themselves from potential attacks. As potentially unattractive defense targets, we need your support to ensure that all water systems in your state comprehensively assess their current cybersecurity practices to identify any significant vulnerabilities. They told state governors to be on guard and ensure adequate protection. They went on to request that each state exercises plans to prepare and recover from a potential cyber incident or accident. It comes after figures associated with the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, the Tehran state security body, were identified by Washington as carrying out cyber attacks against critical American infrastructure entities, including drinking water systems. The ERG-linked hackers were able to target and disable a common type of operational technology used at water facilities where the facility had neglected to change a default manufacturer password, according to the White House. In late November, Iranian-backed hackers attacked Israeli-made digital controls commonly used in the water and wastewater industries in the U.S., affecting several states, according to Bloomberg, although it did not interrupt water supplies. Potential to disrupt critical lifeline. Meanwhile, Volt Typhoon, Chinese state-sponsored group, has also previously compromised drinking water and other critical infrastructure systems. The White House letter warned. It stated, these attacks have the potential to disrupt the critical lifeline of clean and safe drinking water, as well as impose significant inconvenience on affected communities. The U.S. government had assessed with a high degree of confidence that Volt Typhoon is pre-positioning to disrupt critical infrastructure operations in the event of rising tensions or military conflicts, the letter said. The water system is an especially vulnerable part of U.S. infrastructure, fraught with weak controls, insufficient funding and staffing shortages.